What is cracking, YouTube? I'm back with another banger to board terrorist. Back at it again. I'm back at Audio Systems, guys. Um, I didn't think I was gonna do this upgrade. I was satisfied with my den I had. This is one of the dens I bought in the beginning of my when I first purchased my truck. I can't call it like an alcoholic on what year I bought this den, but Alpine made this den, right? It's called the i209, which is right here. It's a 9 inch, guys. It's it's pretty much made, right? It's made for Silverados from and GMCs from 2014 to 2018. You know, this model right here. So I was pretty satisfied, man. It was, like I said, it's a 9 inch. I was cool with it. But I came and hang out at Auto Systems one day, and they brought it to my attention. Hey, there's a Halo. They have a they have a 9 inch, but they also have an 11 inch. And I don't know if you guys noticed, which you guys probably didn't. I had this wire right here, guys. The only way I could get CarPlay is if I plug it in, which is cool. I had no problem with that. You know, luckily my buddy wanted to buy this radio, which I was like, you know what? Because it's a good radio, man. Works great. My buddy said, I'll buy it off of you. Hey, why not? You know, cool. So this is why we're here, guys. I'm gonna sell this Alpine i209. I'm gonna get the Halo 11 inch, and it's 2 inches bigger, and it's wireless Apple CarPlay, which sold me right there. So this is a small video, guys. Like I showed you guys, it's pretty cool. It's a badass Alpine i209. Can't complain, can't complain. But anyways, I'm here. I'm gonna drop it off. I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow and see how it looks, man. Stay tuned. Truck is done, guys. The truck is done. It is the next day, like I mentioned. The Alpine 11-inch Halo, it is installed. Thanks to my buddy Junior. I'm telling you guys, man. The City of Montclair Auto Systems, get it done right the first time, so you don't have to come and do it again. Thank you, Junior, for everything, man. You want to,
Did you have that experience already, though?
Oh, bro. I ain't gonna lie, guys. He already showed me the radio, guys. I'm not gonna sit here and bamboozle you guys. He explained to me all the stuff about it, and man, I'm happy, bro. So now I'm gonna have Junior tell you guys a little bit about it. You see, even they know. The neighbors even know. Yes, sir. Even he knows.
Alright. So, this truck already came with the 9. He bought that. He decided to upgrade this time to the 11. He was a little concerned because, well, we know how he is. He's really picky. So, his biggest concern was if it was going to be sticking out a lot or if it was going to look out of place. So, the first install that we did, we weren't happy with it. So, before we even delivered the truck to him, I had it come back. Well, we didn't even deliver it, but I told my tech, hey, I don't like how it looks. We need to redo it again, and I want it more flush. So we went as flush as possible as we can, and we could even like make it look factory, but it requires now customizing, and it's a whole project to do that. We could do it, but that's the outcome of it. Show them out, bro.
Jeez, guys. Man.
So, Alvaro has a Fire Stick in here, which is perfect. And he has wireless CarPlay now. So this Alpine radio has wireless CarPlay. This radio is one of the best quality on picture and the fastest radio that you could buy on the market right now. It responds quick. Everything just is very fluent. It's just a very, very, very efficient radio and easy to use, mainly. So what do you think of the outcome, Alpha?
It's badass. I kind of want to turn it on, but I don't want it to interfere with this. But let me see if it might glitch a little bit. Maybe not. Not glitch, but
yeah, the CarPlay will kick in. Maybe the CarPlay will kick in, guys. So we'll see right now.
Beautiful.
Your Fire fire stick on?
Yes. There you go. That one. Guys, you guys are not gonna believe it. I thought I did the whole video at Auto Systems. Junior's gonna think I cropped them out. We had a good conversation about the Halo 11-inch, and it was just because I'm recording this off my phone, my iPhone actually, with the DJI handle, whatever that's called, and if you can see through the mirror, yeah, you can. So that's how I'm holding it, guys. Yeah. The minute I turned it on, it was just going making noise, guys. I guess that's just what happens. But there's nothing wrong with the radio. But yes, guys, I just want to pretty much come and finish off the video, guys. This is a badass video. This is a badass radio, man. Head unit, 11-inch. I love it. Man, it responds quick. It's just badass. And if you guys have any questions, man, you can hit me up on my comments or my Instagram, Terrorist, Tare1St, Team 4G Auto, you already know. Or you could go to Audio Systems. They also have an Instagram. Don't forget to tell them I sent you. But yes, guys, this Halo 11-inch looks beautiful. I'm 100% satisfied. And yeah, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos that I have dropping soon. So yeah. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Man, I wish you guys would have seen that good conversation me and Junior had. Man. Oh well. But you guys see it, Alpine Halo 11-inch. You guys, if you guys don't have it, you guys gotta get it. Hit up Auto Systems, man, up in Montclair. They're on Instagram. Same thing, Audio Systems, or just Google them up. Let them know I sent you. And yeah, man, thanks for watching this video. I'm ending this video with the deuces. Catch you guys on the next one.